day trading futures here in Hawaii. It's April 6th, and well, the market's just kind of going sideways today. It's up green a little bit, just up a little bit, but just hasn't had very, solid moves so far today. We kind of got chopped up a little bit. We are going to end the day green here, and that's, the goal every day, to end green. But we also, we want to take the best trades. I'm going to show you guys the trades here and all that fun stuff right now in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, so this morning I thought it was a good idea to start out a little bit later after the market opened. So it's about 10 o'clock right now. It is 4 a.m. here in Hawaii, and we're just getting started now. We got this insane move from 9:30 till about now. We've went from the 59s up there to 74, and we just got long, looking to see if we can't get a breakout here. Yesterday's high, if you look on the bigger time frames, yesterday's high was right around where we're at. So looking to see if we can't squeeze above that 75, 74 area here and get a push up. Looking for 3 handles on this move with our stop there kind of at the 70s for this push up if the market's going to get going here. So we'll see what happens. It's just been, again, like yesterday, just going straight to the moon. Not up as big as much because it had a kind of a pullback over last night. Sold off to the 52s last night, and then now pushing up there to the 71s. So looking to see if we can't get a push up there, 75, 76, maybe to the 80 area on this move today. We're going to give it some time, see what happens. Market's trying to push up here above yesterday's high. I think that's pretty much all-time highs as well yesterday. So that's what we're watching right now. We'll see if we can get the move and push up here. This is a 15-minute chart, looking like a nice bull flag on the 30-minute chart. So we'll just give this a little bit of time and see if we can't push up here. We're in at 71.50 there. You can see that green line. That's our entry. Looking to see if we can't get a push up there to the 74s. Our stop loss is right at the bottom of these 2 candles here, 70.50 area. So we're really only risking 1 handle, $1 per contract, basically. When I say handle, that's like a whole number. Might be a little too high of an entry here. Might get stopped out, but it's just been going nuts, and the market's just been showing tons of strength lately. So we're stopped out here. Let's see what happens. Hey, well, what's up? If you guys enjoy these videos, please do me a big favor. Hit that like button. Tell your friends, your family to watch the videos. Leave a comment down below. Like I said yesterday, if there's anything that I can do to make these videos more enjoyable for you, the viewer, the subscriber, let me know in the comments below. And let's get back to the action. Yeah, I think it was a little earlier on the entry. Might need to get more of a pullback here. So we'll wait for a better pullback here, a better consolidation. If we push above 70, 73 here, I'll jump in. I think this is going to squeeze up. You can see just literally got the low of 70.25 there. It's pretty painful. So I'm going to put a buy stop right there at 73. So if it does squeeze up, we'll get activated. Looks like we might get filled here. 73, trying to push through there. There we are. We're in at 73. Looking for a push above this high, 74, obviously. I'm going to put my stop just below all this action down here. Really getting a nice looking setup here on the 5-minute chart. You can see the wicks on the bottom of these 2 candles really just showing us that it wants to push higher. Wants to push up there. If you go to the, I think, 15-minute chart, probably showing pretty good too. 15-minute chart showing that. So we're pushing up, trying to push through that 74. The high of day so far is 74, 75. Let's see if we can get above that. 74 during market hours. 74. Did we hear it? I don't know why it says 74, 75. 2 of those candles, 74, but looking to push above yesterday's high, 75 area here. I think my stop was just too tight earlier. There at the 70.50 area. We had a good entry, 71.50. Just got stopped out too early. Didn't give it enough time to breathe, enough room to run. So having trouble there. Push up to the 74.50. Just not wanting to go through there, but still giving a little bit of time. Yesterday's high was right there where we're at 75. So see if we can't get above yesterday's high there. The SPY at the 407 area. Trying to push through there. Push up there, 74.25. One thing I don't like about this move right now is that, we're really flirting with like all-time highs. I mean, this is all-time highs. We're right at that point. So, we could get a very drastic sell-off or drop from there. So, don't love that fact, to be honest. So I'm going to sell some more. I got one contract left. That's going to put us back in the green on the day. I'm going to put my stop just like right above break even at this point. So we'll let it ride, see if we can't get above 76 here. And we had the obviously the frustrating part at this point is, we had a really good entry earlier. This candle right here, 70.75. The low was 70.25. We got stopped out at 70.50. So just needed to have a little bit more wiggle room there. I kind of thought that might happen, but I probably should have went to the low of this candle. Maybe like 69.50 would have been a better stop for me at that point. So kind of is what it is. We'll look for some better consolidation. I just, like I said, I don't love the fact that we're like sitting right here at that all-time high, but it's working. It's going up. I'm not going to fight the trend, not like yesterday. Let's see if we can get above 76 here. Get that full three-handle move we're looking for. So you can see again here, like on the 30-minute chart, we really haven't had like any pullback. But I mean, that was the same move yesterday as well. You can see yesterday not really pulling back for the first like 3 hours of the market. So we'll see. Like I said, I don't really love the fact that we're right at all-time highs. This is yesterday all-time high there in the 30-minute chart. That 75 area was the all-time high, and we're right there again. So there was better opportunities for a pullback throughout the night. I saw it a couple times. I guess Elon Musk was tweeting last night about the SPY being insanely inflated. So pretty insane how much Twitter and stuff like that is affecting the market these days. But I guess that's the world that we live in, right? So you can see a little bit of a pullback there. So we got out at a better time than we could have. There's that pullback that I was kind of worried about happening off of that high. So if you go back to the 3-minute chart, we can see that a little bit better here. Yeah, that was that kind of drop. They always say that stocks take the stairs on the way up and they take the elevator on the way down. So that move right there from 76 down there to 71, it's a 5-handle move to the downside. And we obviously would have got stopped out there either way. So this really should have, if it had the power, I think it should have just squeezed up there to the 80s if it was really like going to go. But you can see, earlier from 9:30 till 10, we had a move from the 59 area to the 74, and then now we're kind of like battling here. So we'll see if we get more of a pullback on the 30-minute chart. Maybe get a pullback to like this area here. I think might be kind of a bullish area to pull back. To draw like a line on there for you to see that. Can I put a line there? So yeah, we'll look for like this area here. So I'm going to be doing some editing on my other computer over here, just kind of waiting to see what happens. Just patience. It's 4:30 in the morning here in Hawaii right now. We're up $16. Take away commissions and fees, right around $15. We're trading with the MES, guys. This is the Micro E minis. Every handle move is, I think, what, $1.25. So every 25-cent move is a $1.25 move. Every $5 move, every dollar move is $5, and then every 25-cent move is $1.25. So if you trade the larger contracts, being the E-minis, so we got the micros and then the E-minis. If I'm trading the larger contracts, those $1.25 moves are $12.50. So if we were trading with the larger size contracts right now, we would be up $160. So right now, my focus really with the E-minis, with the micros, is just to get into the rhythm, get into the vibe here, get things going, smaller risk, and just kind of get back into the groove of things. So if I can trade profitable with the micro E-minis for a month or so, it should be no issue stepping up to the actual E-minis, which would then be $12.50 every 25-cent move. So that's kind of the plan. That's what we're working on, and I think it's pretty good way to start out trading futures, especially for you guys. If you're going to start out, trade with the micros. Really easy. They're cheap. The commissions are cheap. I think I pay I don't even remember. It's such a low amount. It's in the under 50 cents in commissions. Most brokers with the micros it's very cheap. So you can trade for really cheap. The commissions are cheap, and the risk obviously is much lower. So if I could trade with 3 micro E-minis for a month, become profitable, or beat. If I can trade with 3 micro E-minis for a month, trade profitable for that month, it should be no issue stepping up to the actual E-minis in a month from now, trading with that same strategy of trying to get that 3 handles, those moves there. So we'll see. Like I said, that all-time high we were right there at that all-time high today, being yesterday. Yesterday's high of day being that 75 area. You can see that's pretty much right where we got stuck at. So we'll give it a little bit of time, see if we get better entry, better consolidation here. Right now, setting up nicely at the 70 area here on the 30-minute chart. If this holds 70.25 here on this candle, this 3-minute candle, if it holds that level, if it holds that level, I'll look to jump in again and kind of base, put a stop kind of at the bottom of this candle here, 69.50. So let's see if it can hold 70.25 here. If it can't hold it, then we'll wait for a better opportunity. But looking like it needs to hold at least like 69.50 area. We'll see what happens on this 5-minute candle. This is a 3-minute chart right now, so I'm watching the 5-minute candle to see kind of where that ends up ending at. I'm going to jump in there at the 71.50. I think this is looking like she's going to hold that level there. So we'll risk off the bottom of these 2 candles here. 69.50. Look for a push up here. Trying to push back up here nicely. I'm going to take a little bit more there, just 73. So we got 1 contract left. I'm going to put my stop at right below that 71.75. Well, 71.75 is the low of that candle so far. So we'll see if we can't push up here. Up to the 74.50 area. I think really probably just leave this contract to run. See if we can't capitalize here. My kid stopped out as I said that. Speaking too soon. We got stopped out there, but still locking down a little bit of profit there. A lot of just indecision going on right here. Obviously that little battle right here, but as long as we keep holding this level, this 70 level, it's going to be bullish, but we'll give it some time. Again, just kind of being patient, waiting for an opportunity. I think that last opportunity was pretty good. Had a nice little push up there, 73.75 on there. So we'll see. All right, so we're pushing back up here nicely. Gonna give it a little bit of a pullback here. Pushed up from 71 to 73, just like that. So kind of give it a second, see if we can't pull back like 72s here. Just gonna go straight to the moon now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Should have brought that 7150. Wasn't paying attention. Was over there editing. Ugh. That would have been the breakout point there. Just would have been a better entry. We'll see if we get a bit of a pullback here. 72s. Like 7250 maybe. 7250. See if we get filled there. 7250 getting filled. Looking for this push up. We got to push above this high of day 76. I'm gonna put my stop down here at the 70s. Just basically below this area here. Having trouble there. Not liking that. Damn it. Give it a little bit of wiggle room here. See if we can hold that 70 area. The battle is real right now. They're at the 73s. Take a little bit there. Just take a little off the table here at the 73s. Not liking how we're getting stuck right there at 73 multiple times. Might get stopped out here. Just couldn't get going there. Should have just got all of it out there. Fuck. It's a problem right now. We're just sitting right at that all-time high. I think it's just going to be a bit of a battle before it can break out again. Looking really good on the 30-minute chart right now. Fix that. Looking really good. Pushing up there. Pushes above 74 here. I think we can get pushed to a new high. I'll put one order there at 74.50. See if we get filled. There we go. Got 2 contracts left. Looking for a push above the high. 75. 75 being the high. So we need 76. 75.25. Putting another order there. That would be our three handle move that we're looking for. Having a little trouble pushing through 75 right now. Still got a lot of time on this 5-minute candle though. This is a 3-minute chart we're looking at right now, but still got 2.5 minutes on the 5-minute candle. And that 30-minute candle's still looking pretty good. Let's see if I can lock in a little bit more there at the 25, 73, 25. Just not in love with this move getting denied there at the 75s. Gives me a little bit more wiggle room to maybe add again. So we can just take it all there at 73, 70, 25. All right, so I put a stop buy limit order there at the 40 at the 74.25 area, looking for this to finally make a breakout. I'll show you guys on the 30-minute chart what I'm looking at here. This thing is like just primed for a breakout. I mean, it's literally just primed to go to the moon. So we'll see if we can get it here. Trying to push up, get above that 76 area. I think it's off to the races after that. So we'll see what happens. Giving it a little bit of time. Let this setup just kind of work its way out. Work its way up. That's what we need. Work its way up here. That 30-minute chart is just looking so primed. Primed and ready to go to the moon. Seriously. I'll take a little bit there at 25, 75, 25. It is just like right there, man. All-time highs. It's too much for me right now. That 30-minute chart is just looking beastly, though, right now. I'm telling you, beastly. Wants to go 76 higher. Wants to do it. I'm going to take a little bit more there at 75, 75. It should have just blown through that 76. I'm going to move my stop to basically break even at this point. If it can't go. Come on, beast. Beast me. Beast mode. 76 break. Come on. It's like right there, man. I'm going to just see if I can take it here at the 75. 75, 75. Just to lock it down. I got things I got to do today. It's already 6 a.m. here in Hawaii. Well, 5:49 right now to be exact, if you really want to be exact. So getting filled there. We're going to just lock it down. We'll walk away with like $25 in profit. Today was just a lot of just sideways action. This really just isn't like type of action that we want to be trading. I mean, this is from 10 o'clock till about 12 now, and we've just been stuck between this like 5 handle range, which just is super hard to trade. Luckily we came out green. Not huge profits, but like I said, it's just building blocks. Now it's gonna go. No, maybe it's gonna go. Who knows? There it is, another day trading futures. If you guys enjoy these videos, please do me one favor, big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.